Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's go see what we've got. Okay. Maybe 3 elements to make it easy. Yeah, let's go for 3 elements. So anyway, we'll make this. Let's just click that first of all, and we'll use yellow, and we will start with the first element. Let's just make its background red for now. Give it a height of 90 to 210, so 120. Margin is going to be about 60 and 50. Let's have a look. '80, 90 is perfect. 55. About 60. About 62. Okay. So that's 1. Now it's bottom margin minus 120. Then we'll add a second P. Add 160, 170, 190, about 250. There we go. We go with the second P. Height 190. No, 200. Margin 120. 120. Right, first off, that's going to be what, about 70, 80, 90. Then this is apparently only going to be about 100. How about 90? 2. And then this is probably going to be minus 290, but we'll deal with that problem in a minute. And 200. Oh, wrong way around. And 20, 232. That should get that one in place. Beautiful. Then we just need a third P. Do plus P. We do margin 90, 92, 0, 232. That should get that last bit. Okay. And then if instead of this background we simply do linear gradient, black 50%, pink. Alright, the other way round. if that goes bottom to top or top to bottom, so it's not bad anyway. There we go. Hit submit. And that is 100%. So let's go minify, unit replace, and submit. There we go. Now, is there an easier, better way of doing this? Could use a clip path on one element, but that's starting to get quite ridiculous. Sod it, let's use that. Let's try it with clip path. Okay, so we'll hit base template. We'll set this background as yellow, and we'll actually, can we do a clip path on? I think we can. So let's set this to a background of red, then do margins 60, 60, and then we'll fiddle them. So that actually wants to be 50, that wants to be 70. Perfect. We'll actually change this background to the linear gradient we had before. We go pink, 50%, the not black, 50%. That gets us a fair way there. We only need to cut some bits out. So how deep is that? 50 to 90, so 40, and how far in is this? 70 to 100, so 30. So if we do a clip path, poly, gone. So 0 and 40 pixels down, 30 pixels across, 40 pixels down, 30 pixels across, 0 pixels down, pixels across, 0, 90 pixels, 40 pixels, 70, 170 pixels, 40 pixels, 170 pixels, 0. How wide was the first one? 60 pixels, so let's try 230 pixels, 0, 230 pixels, 40 pixels, 260 pixels, which is actually 100%, 40 pixels, how high is this all? 50 to 250, so 210, 100%, 210 pixels, 230 pixels, 210 pixels, 100, 230 pixels, 100%, 70, 100. Okay, 230 might be too many. What did I say this was? 50, 250, so it's 200, so that should have been 160 here. Okay, that looks better. 170 pixels, 160. Pixels, 160 pixels, 90 pixels, 100%, 40 pixels, 100%, 40 pixels, 160, and then 0, 160 pixels. That should be, I'm off by 10 somewhere. There I'm off by 10, that should have been 30, not 40. There we go. Submit that. It's a long clip path though. Let's get rid of that and minify, unit replace. Yeah, it's still longer than the first solution by quite some margin. So yeah, I can't see another way of doing it today, so we're going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.